Hey everyone, welcome to the ultimate quiz zone. Can you guess which animal roars, which plant grows, and which fruit is juiciest? Let's find out. What color is the sky on a sunny day? Blue. Who is the author of Harry Potter? J.K. Rowling is the correct answer. Which animal says moo? And the answer is cow. What gas do plants use to make food? Carbon dioxide is the answer. Which instrument has black and white keys? Piano is the right answer. Who discovered gravity after seeing an apple fall? Right answer is Newton. Which fruit is known for having tiny seeds on its outside? Strawberry is the answer. What is baby frog called? Tadpole is the answer. What do pandas mainly eat? Bamboo is the right answer. Which fruit has a crown and is spiky on the outside? Pineapple is the correct answer. Which bird can mimic human speech? The correct answer is parrot. Which animal is the largest plant animal? Elephant is the correct answer. Great job, Nature Ninjas! How many you get right? Let us know in the comments and do subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.